No time for the epic. 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 Cameraman adventures.
What?
Cameraman found a leg. I'll stick that in my inventory. Cameraman found a dog. I'll stick that in my inventory. Cameraman found a person. Hey, you're stealing my leg.
Battle! Dun 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 dun! Random guy uses punch! Oh, ow. It's a hard camera.
Cameraman uses turn off and make you not exist. Poof!
You win! You gain 10,000 experience!
You gained 72 levels. You find a bucket of candy canes. You don't stick it in your inventory and eat it. The end! Not just kidding. You go find a dog. You stick it in your inventory. Oh wait, no, that's the same dog. Never mind. Hey, how'd you get on my inventory? Get back in my inventory. Are you looking funny at me? Are you looking at me funny? 'Cause I will kill you. Okay.
Another battle. Person uses marker throw.
It misses.
He dies.
You use super ray in the blackness.
In the guy's still turn, he uses suicide.
That was convenient. Cameraman runs into a drum. Cameraman uses laser beam in the darkness. Drum dies. The end.